Hello everybody, welcome back. See Roy there's having a wee sleep. Well, I've got to show you today is just a wee update on my bushcraft knife, survival knife. And what I've done to it is I've actually gun blued it. Just rather than patina, I thought I'd give it a try and do that. So that's kind of how it's turned out. So a couple of marks here and here where it hasn't took to it. And on the other side also. So we could always just add another bit to it. I just thought I would do that before it actually starts to do it. And you can see a bit of oxidisation already with the bluing get put on it. So another thing I've done, just as a wee challenge for myself today and the knife, was to try and make myself a bow drill set. And here it is, and I've actually managed to get it burnt in. Now I'm absolutely rubbish with these, so I was really pleased that the knife carved it all. It's from sycamore and it's done really good. I think what helps so much is this fingers choil when it comes to the detailed work. Up here, you get the fingers in here and it gets maximum control, and your thumb gets over the top here. So I really do like that about it, and it allowed me to carve this set quite quick actually. So I'm really pleased with that it can do that as well. So it's performed great, and this is just what it looks like now with a bit of patina on it. So I've started to get the leather sheath done, and hopefully I'll be done in the next couple of days, and I'll keep you up to date how that goes, and I'll maybe give it another couple of coats with the bluing and see how that turns out. Okay then, catch you all in the next video. Thanks again for coming along.